The Cybertruck, an armored truck that can go anywhere with its rugged design and off-road capability. When you think of an all-terrain truck, certain images come to mind. Maybe it's a 4x4 that can tackle any obstacle in its path, or perhaps an army vehicle designed to withstand rugged terrain. The new Cybertruck turns this concept on its head with its ultra-modern design and futuristic features. Boasting bulletproof armor and zero emissions, the groundbreaking Cybertruck is truly unlike anything you've ever seen before. With incredible acceleration and off-road capability, this revolutionary SUV is perfect for adventurous drivers who want to push the boundaries of what's possible, no matter where the road takes them. Introducing the Cybertruck, the cutting edge of automotive design. The world of automotive design is constantly evolving, and Tesla has once again pushed the boundaries with their latest creation, the Cybertruck. This beast of a vehicle boasts a futuristic, angular design that is unlike anything seen on the roads before. With its sharp edges and sleek lines, the Cybertruck is a true testament to Tesla's commitment to innovation and excellence. But it's not just all show. This electric truck is also incredibly utilitarian, able to haul heavy loads and even handle off-road terrain. Its advanced technology and impressive performance have already garnered massive attention from auto enthusiasts and industry experts alike. Without a doubt, the Cybertruck is the cutting edge of automotive design and a true masterpiece from the minds at Tesla. Understanding the uniqueness of this armored truck. While armored trucks may seem like a dime a dozen, this one stands out from the crowd with its unique design and unparalleled security features. From its reinforced steel exterior to its bulletproof glass windows, this truck was clearly built to withstand even the most determined attacks. But what truly sets it apart is its state-of-the-art surveillance system, complete with advanced cameras and alarms that can detect any suspicious activity. And yet, despite all of these incredible features, the truck manages to maintain a streamlined, unassuming appearance that blends in perfectly with its surroundings. All in all, this armored truck is a testament to the ingenuity and innovation that can come from the world of security and transportation. Exploring the rugged design and durable material. When it comes to exploring the rugged design and durable material of any product, it's important to keep in mind one thing: quality. Whether you're out on a hike in the woods or need something reliable for everyday use, having a product you can count on is key. When a product boasts rugged design and durable material, it's a sign that the manufacturer has invested in the best materials available to ensure longevity and usability. This means that the product will resist damage, wear, and tear, allowing you to use it for years to come. From sturdy backpacks to heavy-duty phone cases, choosing products with rugged design and durable material ensures you're investing in a quality item that will withstand the test of time. Discovering the versatility of a vehicle like the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck has been making headlines for its audacious appearance, but it's not just its unique design that's capturing people's attention. This electric vehicle is also versatile in ways you might not expect. Its massive bed can be used to haul cargo, and its adjustable air suspension makes it easy to tow heavy loads. Plus, with a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, the Cybertruck is capable of taking you on long road trips without having to stop for gas. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking to explore off-road terrain or need a practical vehicle for work, this truck could be the perfect fit. So why settle for a typical pickup when you could discover the versatility of the Cybertruck? Taking a look at all of its incredible features. When it comes to technology, there's nothing quite as exciting as exploring all the features a device has to offer. Whether it's the latest smartphone or the hottest gaming console, taking a deep dive into everything it can do is thrilling. And when that device is packed with incredible features, it's even more enticing. From its intuitive user interface to its lightning-fast performance, there's no shortage of things to love about this tech marvel. So why not take a closer look at what makes it so special? Join us as we explore each and every amazing feature of this incredible device. Analyzing its safety record and performance specifications. Safety is of paramount importance in any industry, but particularly in those where workers are dealing with potentially hazardous materials and complex machinery. That's why analyzing a company's safety record is so crucial when it comes to assessing their performance specifications. A safety record can tell us a lot about the precautions a company takes to protect its workforce, and the effectiveness of those measures in preventing accidents and injuries. By analyzing both of these factors, we can get a more accurate understanding of how well a company is performing and whether it's meeting the standards of safety and excellence that we expect from it. When assessing safety and performance, it's important to dig deep, ask difficult questions, and challenge assumptions in order to get a complete picture of the situation at hand. With its powerful and efficient motor, futuristic exterior, and fierce design, the Cybertruck is a force to be reckoned with in today's automotive market. It has been engineered to meet the needs of both commercial and private drivers looking for a reliable vehicle that can handle rough terrain, navigate obstacles with ease, and provide protection from the elements. The strong outer shell prevents corrosion and wear and tear while providing plenty of room inside for cargo or passengers. While it may not blend in with other cars on the highway, its resilient construction and superior performance speak for itself. The Cybertruck is truly a one-of-a-kind vehicle. With all of its unique features, it's no wonder this truck has created such a buzz among auto enthusiasts everywhere. From its eye-catching style to its robust engineering, this amazing car is sure to impress anyone who takes it for a spin. So what are you waiting for? Grab your sunglasses and get ready to experience the cutting edge of 21st century automotive technology.